guys! So today is a very exciting day. Dobby got his very first fan mail, so if you want to see what's in it, come along for the ride. Dop-dops! Dop-dop-dop-dops! So here comes Dobby, and he knows something's up. Oh, look at him. He knows that something is in here for him. So let's see if we can get it started, and maybe he might want to finish it himself. Here, and we shall open the top and see what he does. Dobby! Dobby! What's in there? What's in there? Is that for you? What is it? What is it? Smell. Come on, dogs. Oh. What is it? Smell. What is it? What is it? What is it? So let's see what this is. I think there's a card in here. So it says, "Dear Dobby, these are last year's crab apples beginning to dry up and shrivel, but still quite good for skittering across the floor. Maybe you'll enjoy them as much as Jazz Hands does. Cheers from the Sharp Villa, Clarissa and Gang." So it's from my friend, Art Glass Girl. She makes beautiful jewelry, and she also started doing some amazing paintings and stuff, and she has a whole clan of cats. Look at them for you to play with. Look at the little crab apples. There we go. Look at that. Are you excited about those? Yeah. Fern, you want to play with them too, huh? Yep. Can you say hi? Fern says hi. And there's Dobby. He's purring so loud again. He's really excited over these. Look at his little face. Yeah, Dobby is enjoying these. I have a feeling though most of them are going to end up knocked underneath the stove, because that's pretty much where everybody knocks them. So yeah, I have a feeling he is going to have, I'd say, hours of enjoyment, because he's already playing all over with them. Gonna bury it in the rug, huh? No burying in the rug. Scoot some more across for you. There you go. Yeah, I think he likes these little crab apples quite a bit. Oh, those are fun. Definitely. So I'm going to let him play with these today and have fun. And thank you again to Clarissa for sending him his very first fan mail, because, you know, he has his fans. He's so cute. Now he's just, again. He's just not quite sure which one he wants to get. He's going to get them all. Yep. Oh, Honey's coming in. You know, you guys haven't seen much of Honey. She's kind of shy. She's like our old lady cat now that Nebula has passed. She's getting on there. She's about 12. She'll be 12. 11 or 12 this year. So she is getting to be an old lady too. And she's very patient with little Dobby. He is not a year old yet, so he is still very much a kitten. Yes. All right, guys. So we are going to let him play with his new little treats, and you all have a great day. Bye-bye.